In this video, we're going to talk about accretion dilution analysis that you would perform for M&A transactions. An accretion dilution analysis is a simple test used to evaluate the merit of a proposed merger or acquisition deal. The accretion dilution analysis determines if the post-transaction earnings per share is increased or decreased. The managers in a prospective M&A deal need to consider many factors such as the negotiation process, the global impact, and the compatibility of the companies. The process of an accretion dilution analysis begins with estimating pro forma net income to eventually arrive at pro forma earnings per share. An increase in pro forma earnings per share is regarded as an accretion, while a decrease is regarded as a dilution. So here are the steps for accretion dilution analysis. First, you need to estimate a pro forma net income for the combined entities. After that, we would need to calculate the combined company's net share count. The third step is tabulate the prospective acquirer's share count. Factor new shares that would be issued to make the purchase if it's a stock deal. And last but not least, divide pro forma net income by pro forma shares to arrive at a pro forma EPS. And then you can calculate EPS accretion and dilution. An increase in EPS is regarded as accretion, while a decrease is regarded as dilution. You need to check your numbers before presenting them to the managers. You need to incorporate some professional skepticism on prospective synergies. Here's an accretion dilution calculation in more details. So to calculate target and acquire net income, you would take earnings per share and multiply it by share count for both companies. For synergies amount, you would estimate and benchmark and then calculate pro forma net income by summing up target, acquirer, and synergies post-tax and subtracting interest post-tax. To calculate new shares issued, you would need to take equity issued and divide it by acquirer share price. And for pro forma shares outstanding calculation, you would take shares outstanding and shares issued. After that, you can calculate pro forma EPS, which is a pro forma net income divided by pro forma shares outstanding, and then you can calculate the final step for EPS accretion dilution, which is pro forma EPS divided by acquirer EPS minus 1. In the next video, we're going to perform that accretion dilution calculation in the Excel spreadsheet.